Hello, I'm again here with my new blog. Today's title suggests mothering is hard, so let's get started. Even though I agree that mothering is hard, I could not understand it completely. Now that I'm a mother myself, I can understand to an extent. Of only being a mother of an infant, at the crux of it, being a mother of an infant is as same as being a mother of a toddler or a teenager or a fully adult or grown-up kid. Every stage of child's growth brings different challenges for mother. While we take all those challenges in our stride and appreciately, we tend to ignore ourselves, don't we? Don't you think that we the mothers ignore ourselves a lot? Well, I feel like in the society, when I came across many women or many mothers doesn't pay attention to herself much because they are so much in responsibilities with the kids that they don't even bother to pay attention towards themselves. So I have seen so many mothers being so devoted being mother that they forget they have a life too. I'm not against being a good mother or a loving your own child, but I just doesn't get the concept of living a whole life just for kids. I love my kid too, but I would want to fulfill other responsibilities being a woman as well. I would want to be a good mother, so much so I want to be a good partner, a good wife, a good daughter-in-law, a good daughter, a good sister, and many more. That totally depends upon the relations you are serving with the societies. One thing which is difficult for me to make a sense out of it difference is perceptions between a mother who is working and that of the one who is homemaker. I didn't get the concept between the comparison. Why we the society compare the mothers who is a housewife and the mother who is a working? I didn't get the concept of this. Both want the best for their kids, the children's. Both love their children equally. Moreover, I have very fundamental questions to make. Who are we to judge anyone? Are we super perfect to judge someone? Just give a thought. According to me, no one is perfect and learning never stops. Perfection is never one-time package. It's an evolutionary process. Mothers can be wrong sometimes. We can make mistakes. We can live for ourselves too. And if a mother is there to correct their bundle of love, then why can't we be responsible as their kids? My message for mothers would be, please don't think what the society will feel about you, your mothering, because your mothering will continue until your kids are happy. You are perfect and the most beautiful mom your child could ever have. And I guess we should give some time for ourselves too, because if we make ourselves our soul beautiful, then we would be able to serve the positivity around the aura, and we can make our kids more happy if we are happy from outside as well as from inside. So being a mother, you should give some time for yourself as well. That totally depends upon the your free time. It can be in the morning, it can be in the afternoon, it can be in the night, and whatever it is. If you want to have your own time, you can have a self time with a cup of tea, with a cup of coffee, or you can go out somewhere, you can pamper yourself. There are many ways to make yourself happy. So my request to all the moms is, I know the mothering is very hard and is the most important responsibility of a mother, of a woman, to be a good mother, but you only live once. So what I suggest to all of you is, please, we have only one life. So if you are taking care of the other well-beings as well, please take care of your well-being as well, because you only have one life and you only will live once. So why not live it with happiness and with full positivity, full greatness, full happiness? So why can't you enjoy your life? I know mothering while doing mothering you can enjoy your life, but what I am depicting in this blog, or what I am concentrating on particular line on this blog is like, please give some peaceful, give some personal time to yourself as well, because it will give growthness to you as a person. It will develop positivity in your nature, and once you'll start giving yourself your time, then you will see there will be a more positive aura around you, and you will become a more happy soul. So till then, stay tuned, and if you want to give me some suggestions or can comment, please comment down in the comment section. I'll be there to listen you all and to take all the suggestions. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next vlog.